What is going on, everyone? Welcome back. My name's Jay, and I'm going to show you guys how I trade covered call options in my TD Ameritrade account. I'm going to trade some covered calls on Palantir today. There's always really good premium going into earnings. I currently have 1,102 shares of Palantir, and I'm willing to, get rid of 100, 200, maybe even 300 shares, because when you're trading a covered call, you have to give up 100 shares of collateral in order to make that covered call option. So here's some of the basic research I like to do. We're going to click on Palantir, and I always like to see where they've been trading at in the last month. So we tipped out around $18 a share, and then in 3 months, so we could see where we tipped off last earnings, it tipped off around $20 a share. So that $18 to $20 range is pretty much of where I think Palantir can go around earnings, right? So then we want to find out when is their earnings date, because that's always really important, right? So it's unconfirmed, but they're projecting around November 2nd. For Palantir to report earnings. So that is, coming up, less than 2 weeks away. So I want to do an option chain. Maybe let's check out 2 and 3 weeks. So the third is right here. And then you guys got to go up to calls and then go to out of the money. Because we don't want to be too close to the strike, because we want to give this baby a little bit of a chance to run. So next week, $19 call is trading at 27 bucks. I like that. So I'm going to go click on the bid, because when you're selling, you all click on the bid. Go down here is where it is. So sell to open. You always want to double check, because I've made mistakes where they were buying instead of selling. So we're asking 27 bucks for this covered call for next Friday. Not this Friday coming up, but the next one. And we'll get $27 for selling this call. So that means our break-even price is $19.27. So it's $19.27 because you have the $19 call. So 100 shares at $19 strike price is $1,900. So $19.27 is our break-even. So we're going to hit review order and then place order. And boom, it sold right away. So we got our 27 bucks. Not too shabby, guys. As long as Palantir is under 1927 through earnings, we will make money on this trade. And the worst thing that has to happen, we can sell at $19. It's trading in the 16s now. It was already in the 15s this morning, so it's run up since this morning. And that's a good time to sell covered calls, is whenever there's a big run up in a stock, say from the low to the high today, it's went up almost 8 to 10%. That's when I like to sell covered calls. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Peace.